The cable for my MacBook's charger or adapter, whatever the kids are calling these days, has been chewed up badly. I'm not sure about the newer adapters, which use a separate cable, but these older models have some definite weak points. Right here, where the cable connects to the charger or the plug itself. This is a cheaper replacement for the original Apple charger. When the original required repairs for this same problem, I used a product called Sugru. It did a very nice job at the time, held quite nicely, and it's very pretty. But Sugru has its own problems. Looking at this, the 5 connectors might seem a bit daunting, but be daunted not, for in reality, there are only 2 wires inside of this sheath. Sure, this case wasn't meant to be opened and repaired, but I have specialized tools for this. Screwdriver, wood chisel, and a mallet. So the plan: remove some of this broken wire, slip some healthy wire back in, and resolder. Yes, I know in some parts of the world it's pronounced sada. It's a regional thing, like tomato, potato. I'll also slip some heat shrink over the connectors or the connected parts, and also on these parts of wires which are more susceptible to fail again. I can't slip the wire back in directly, so a bit of drilling is necessary. A first layer of heat shrink, and then a slightly bigger second one, which partially fits over the MagSafe plug. I also have to slip another set of heat shrink ahead of time. Slide the wire into the cord grip, strip some wire on the charger side, then flux and tin all the wires. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative. This is when I slip the heat shrink tube over my soldered connections and use a small tie wrap as a strain relief. Tuck the wires back in, and once the case fits properly, I glued it with CA glue. Last, heat those 2 layers of shrink tube over the wire to give it more rigidity and durability. Less waste, less landfill, and a very real, satisfying sense of accomplishment. Plus, I get to make these videos to share with you. Bonus.